Now we will discuss how the gallanometer is converted into voltmeter. No doubt, voltmeter is used to measure potential difference. In last article we have studied that voltmeter cannot measure EMF, but voltmeter can measure potential difference. Potential difference means product of current and resistance. Okay. When connecting the voltmeter, it is connected parallel to that part of circuit where we want to find the potential difference. So voltmeter is always connected in parallel to circuit. See, this is our original gallanometer having resistance G and which carries a maximum current Ig, for which it gives full scale deflection. Okay. So how much potential difference now we can measure? That is equal to Ig into G. That is the potential difference initially can be measured by using direct gallanometer. But this gallanometer is very sensitive. It gives full deflection for small current. That means it gives full deflection for small PD. Then how can measure large PD? Okay. Large PD cannot be measured. And by default, if we connect this voltmeter or this gallanometer directly as a voltmeter for large PD, large current will flow and it will damage the gallanometer. So these are the problems. Actually, when voltmeter is connected parallel to circuit, it should not draw any current from the circuit. Otherwise, if voltmeter resistance is small, it will draw some current from that circuit, from that part of circuit. And that's why PD will change. So actual PD cannot be measured. That means this voltmeter, while connecting parallel to that part, this voltmeter must have very large resistance, so that it should not draw any current. And that we want to make. And that's why this gallanometer is to be modified. What is the modification? See here. Here, large resistance R is connected in series with gallanometer. And that is our ammeter. And that is our voltmeter. Do you get this? This is our voltmeter. आता काय राहिलं फक्त नेमप्लेट बदलायची. नेमप्लेट पूर्वी होती हे दोन्ही बाजूला डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवणारा गॅलनमीटर. आता नेमप्लेट बदलली आणि त्याला म्हणतात कॅलिब्रेशन. इतका पिढी असताना कुठं डिफ्लेक्शन जात आहे तिथं 1 लिहायचं, 2 व्होल्ट असताना किती डिफ्लेक्शन जात आहे तिथं 2 लिहायचं. हे कॅलिब्रेशन करून नेमप्लेट बदलली आपण. झाला व्होल्टमीटर. सो दॅट इज अवर व्होल्टमीटर. ओके. हिअर वी वॉन्ट टू मेजर potential difference V. So V potential difference is to be measured. Initially this was the range of the gallanometer. Let it is Vg. And now we are creating voltmeter having voltage range n times the Vg. So n times Igg. So this is very important. N. How many times the voltmeter range, voltage range is increased. Okay. So same current Ig is flowing here. So total voltage can be written as voltage across G plus voltage across R. And this will value Ig into G and this value Ig into R. So if Ig is taken common, it will be equal to G plus R. So G plus R will have value phi upon Ig. Okay. And now what is the required resistance that should be connected in series with gallanometer so as to create voltmeter? Take this G to left side. So V minus Ig, V upon Ig minus G. So this is our required series resistance that should be connected in series with gallanometer so as to create voltmeter of required range. Okay. So this is single formula. If you will measure this n times, the range n times, it is very important. And examples on this voltmeter are very simple. Let us take one. Let galvanometer has 50 ohm resistance. Okay. It carries only small current 1 milliampere, for which it gives full deflection. How will you convert it into voltmeter to measure 500 milliampere? That is example. So G is equal to 50, Ig is equal to 1 milliampere, and V is equal to 500 millivolt. Okay, or let us take 1 volt or 10 volt, whatever it may be. Voltage range, we have to create voltmeter of range 0 to 10 volt. Use this formula. What we have to do? We are connecting large resistance R in series with galvanometer. That creates the voltmeter. How much resistance is required? Phi upon Ig minus G. Okay. Phi. What is the value of phi? So R is equal to V upon Ig minus G. Phi 10 volt. What is the Ig value? 1 milliampere. 1 milliampere that should be converted into ampere. 1000 milliampere is equal to 1 ampere. So we will divide this value by 1000 and minus G. So 10 raised to minus 3 goes to numerator, that will be 10 raised to plus 3. 10 raised to plus 3 means 1000. 1000 into 10. So what will it be? 10,000 minus G. So that is 50. So 10,000 minus 50. That will be 9,950 ohm. Okay? So that is the answer. So if we connect the 9,950 ohm resistance in series with this galvanometer having 50 ohm, then the range, voltage range will be increased up to 10 volt. Okay? So very simple. What is the series resistance required? R is equal to phi upon Ig minus G. Okay? To solve the example on voltmeter, use this equation directly. To solve the example on ammeter, find that n value. That is very important. If you will find n value, number of times the current range is developed, n, that is very important. Then you will connect the shunt resistance S having value G upon n minus 1. Okay? Thank you.